for the party, Lily. Well, of course they are, Candy. Why else would they be here? We're going to have so much fun! They smell like dead bodies. Well, that's not a nice thing to say, Candy. What's a nicer way to tell a friend that they smell like gore? Maybe we could ask if they want to take a bubble bath? Now? No. We have to set up for the party. Can you be a good toy and bring me the crumpets from the oven in the basement? I said they're in the oven in the basement. Why is it taking so long to get the crumpets? You weren't talking to anyone, were you? Oh, that's amazing! Next we'll have to find the friends. They should be around here somewhere. And I know they'd hate to miss this. Oh, he's gonna love these. Let's set the mood with a little music in case our special guest arrives early. How dare you ignore me? Come back here right now! I warned you about being rude while I'm speaking! You have until the count of 3 to get over here, or it's time out for you! You have until the count of 5 to get over here, or it's time out for you! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the bad toy box for you! Now, where was I? I'm off to prepare my famous sandwiches. You make sure the friends make it to the party on time. Do you think the poster is enough to hide it? Shh, we have guests here, Candy. Why can't we go to a better place, Lily? Well, when our guest arrives, maybe he'll be so happy he'll invite all of us. Shut it! You've always been a bad toy. When he gets here, he'll see it too! And then they kill Joey! We should kill them. No, we can't. We always kill our friends and then we're alone. Dolly Grub, were you taking a bubble bath? Oh, vanilla. Now, who are we still missing? Oh, baby! So nice of you to join us for tea. And I'm so sorry for your loss. Oh, look who it is! Dusky, were you messing around in the garage? Remember, good toys wash their hands. Miss Gracie always said bad toys misbehave. Did you hear that, Candy? Is someone in here? Candy, listen. I think someone's here. Oh, come out, wherever you are. Not here. Guess they knew better. Taking, breaking, nobody takes or breaks my pretty things. No. A good toy doesn't break other people's things. Oh, this is the best day of my life. All of the friends. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to get ready. Follow me to the kitchen. We need to make final preparations before our special guest arrives. There's no time to dilly-dally. Come over to the kitchen. He might arrive any second now. Oh, look at this mess. We need to tidy up. Return my recipe book to the nook upstairs while I get everything ready. Did you put the book away yet? Go mingle with the friends. friends until our special guest arrives. Who left this door open, Candy? Maybe it was Dolly Grub. What is all the fuss down here? I could have sworn I heard you chitter-chattering. I think they're plotting an escape. Oh, of course they aren't. They can't leave before the party. What? Is one of the friends in my room? It's okay. You're okay. Go back to sleep. Nobody's gonna hurt you anymore. Someone's been in here, Candy. Someone who's going in the box! No! You can't leave! The party hasn't even started! Are our dear guests bored? Bored of little Tilly Lily? Why don't we play a game? Upstairs, there's a sweet little nursery. When I sing a pretty song, you can walk there. But when I'm quiet, you have to stop. Follow the path to the prize. Remember to follow the path. Remember, no cheating. Follow the path and you might win. And if you win, you just might get a prize. You're doing great. I'm getting closer. Well, look at you. A little winning Wendy. I wonder for how long. Again! Oh, this is so much fun. Don't move. Stop. Red light. I told you not to cheat. That's against the rules. You wouldn't want to be a cheating Charlie. Hey, you have to move. It's against the rules not to. Get moving. Now! Go! You're making me angry! This is so much fun, isn't it? Let's pick up the pace a bit, shall we? Keep it up, and you'll win the grand prize! And just where do you all think you're going? You wouldn't want to miss the tea party. You're a bad toy! Our special guest is going to be thrilled. He's going to kill them all. No, Candy, not Poppy. She's always been his favorite. I think she's a little asking Annie. She is a little asking Annie. Oh, please take me out of my case. Oh, please rescue the orphans. Oh, please blow up the whole factory and burn everyone alive. Our special guest is here. Surprise! Uh-oh, she doesn't know. This is all your fault! You're going in the bad toy box. If I can't go to a better place, you can't either! I let you into my house